Hey guys, what's up? Russ here from Pure Outside. Today we're gonna go have a look at a little waterfalls called Christie Falls. It was raining real hard yesterday, so I think they'll be flowing pretty good. So let's get on it. So, made it onto the little single track trail that leads right up to the falls. It's not very far to the falls. I think they're just up here off the main track. It's easy double track. As you can see by my breathing, it's quite steep. There's some big waterfalls just up here. And apparently waterfalls are always where things are steepest. So, one downside to chasing waterfalls anyways. Around the corner and we're there. Oh, that is wild. So, I'll show some pictures of what it looked like last time I was here. And then we'll take a look at it right now.
Wait for the drops.
Setting up a little shot here. Just a basic one. This tree and these two trees are in the way. I don't really know what I'm going to do with those. I don't think you can do anything. Some nice foreground right here though, kind of looking up at the falls. If you get the foreground in though, you don't get the falls as much. So I think I'm going to move down below. The problem with getting too close is that you just get blasted with wind and water from the falls there. It's all going that way. None of it's coming kind of right this way here, so we're kind of protected, but and then we got all this stuff in the way. A couple other falls over there, gonna go check out too. Little one there, that's actually the main one. This isn't usually running like this. Alright, let's see if we can get over here a bit. It's so wet. Holy. That was close. Just about lost my gorilla pod in the river here. So we just got a little bit of a bridge to cross, and then these two aren't even usually running. That one over there is the falls. This is just because there's so much water here right now. We just gotta get across this. Easy, right? And then we can get over there. That was not sketchy at all. That's fun. I really want to see the main one, so let's go up there first. This is usually a little dribble of a falls. Was to photograph from over there, but I don't think that's gonna work today. It's like rainstorm over there. A little bit drier where I'm right here. Holy. So I went over there a minute ago to go over there and take photos, but it got a little wet. I wasn't even going to bring a rain jacket today because it's so nice out, but it's torrential downpour over there under the waterfall. This is usually a trickle. Well, sometimes a trickle. Not today. Okay, one more look over there and then I think we're going to take one from over here because I think that's all we got. Hiding behind a little tree right here. Well, good sized tree at the base. This one here might be able to get a couple of quick shots without getting too soaked. So much water coming down up here. Splits right here. That's where the big one goes. This is where those other two come from. This part is not even usually here. Wow. Well, I came looking for waterfalls. Two right here. And these are the small ones. Not fun, that one. No issues though. Goodbye, amazing waterfalls. Alright, time to head back down. That was pretty crazy. 3 huge waterfalls there. Most of the time they're just little trickles, and 2 of them aren't even there most of the time. And we're back out into the sunshine. Oh, it feels good to see the sun. There's like another world in there, just with all the water and rain and noise and stuff flying everywhere. It was dark, it was wet. It's Beautiful out here. Cool place to go though. Well worth the trek up to Christie Falls.